Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we will be discussing about the Wayback Machines. Let's begin. So in this video, we will be basically learning how to do the bug bounty hunting using the Wayback Machine. So let's start. So why the Wayback Machines? Wayback Machines basically combines the skills plus two tools and provide us a better bug bounty success. With the help of Wayback Machines, we can basically discover the sensitive files and past vulnerabilities. And also, it provides a step-by-step guide to level up in our ethical hacking journey. So, before starting, let's uh, know about what exactly the Wayback Machine is. So, it is basically a digital archive of the internet, which basically takes the snapshot of website over the time. So let's say you are browsing google.com. So how that google.com will look in 2004. So it stores all those kind of snapshot into its server. So it basically act as a time capsule for the web. Now the question arises how it helps in bug bounty hunting. So with the help of this, we can find the hidden files, retrieve forgotten or deleted content which was there in past, but somebody has reported it and the organization has taken that content down. So there might be chances that we can recover that content and get some juicy information from web archive. We can also get the outdated security, spot weakness in the older versions. So let's say you are visiting amazon.com or amazon.in. So there might be high chances that the same website must be having some sort of vulnerabilities back in year 2002, 2004, right? So we can have that kind of version and view that kind of web version using the Wayback Machines. So let's come and understand how we basically gather the URLs with the help of Wayback Machines. So this can be done using the CDX API, as you can see in this screen. Retrieve archived URLs. So we can basically get the archived URLs here. So this is the URL by which we can basically retrieve all the URLs belonging to a certain domain. So in this case, we are basically searching against star.example.com. So this API works on all sort of domains, subdomains. And with the help of this, we can enhance our attack surface area. So as a bug bounty hunter, our ultimate goal is to find the vulnerabilities, and to get the good quality of bugs, we must have a good and impactful attack surface area. So with the help of Wayback Machines, we can have a great and good number of endpoints. So it basically leads to the discovery of endpoints. So with the help of Web Archive Machines, we can look for the sensitive files as well. So let's say you are searching around example.com. So we can search for the keywords sensitive extensions like .db, .zip, .xls, .docs. So these kind of endpoints can help us and provide the juicy informations. Let's say you got a .db extension. There are possibilities like you can get the DB password, DB username, on which port the DB is currently running, the IP of the DB. So these are all critical for an organization. And if you can report it and it is not duplicate, then you can get a good bounty. So coming back to the getting the data set using this particular API. So here I've shown, like with the help of curl command, how you can basically download or get the data against example.com. So in this particular case, we are basically running a curl command against the web archive and on the URL star.example.com. And whatever output we are getting, we are basically storing that into output.txt file, which we will be using in the later stage of our Recon. Now here I've shown like how we can exactly extract the juicy endpoints from a file. So let's say we got we from the previous step we found the output.txt file. Now with the help of output.txt file, we can go and search for the juicy endpoints like .xls, .pdf, 7z, CSV, ML, ISO. So these are all the sensitive keywords that I have gathered here. Also, you can increase this list with the help of AI, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and all. So, if you increase this list and add the more number of endpoints here, you might end up in getting a more and robust collection of the data. So, how you can basically do the browser based filtering. So this is the URL that I have shared here, highlighted in the yellow part. So here I've shown like how you can basically run against a certain domain. In this case, we are running around the target.com. So we'll be putting the URL as https target.com. So you will be seeing all these output into your browser. And in the previous steps, I've shown like how you can basically download the content in your Linux browsers. So, just a final thought, use the past to secure the future. Wayback isn't just history, it's intelligence for the bug bounty hunters and the Recon. A great tool for bug bounty and Recon. Also, we can basically combine this tool with the Grep, curl, URO for the max results. Now, let's show you some of the examples. So, here I have shown like I have run the browser based web archive URL and I ran it against one of the vulnerable endpoint, which is test HTML. So you can see like you have got a good number of endpoints, but it seems very limited, right? So how about if I remove this HTTP and put a star dot? So it's basically such everything before test HTML5. So you can see like we are having more result now as compared to the previous steps. So now let's just remove this test HTML5 and we'll leave only star.vulnweb.com and see and observe like how many endpoints, whether the endpoints are increased or decreased in this case. It's taking a time. So we got the result. So as you can see, like we are having more number of endpoints. So by changing these extensions, putting the star, basically provide you a larger attack surface area. With the help of this, basically you can discover the second level, third level subdomains around a target. So that's all in this web archive machines tutorial. Let me know if you have any comments, suggestions. See you in next video. Bye.